Welcome to Ingram ID. Ready to promote your book? By creating an account, you've now unlocked new possibilities for marketing your book and reaching new readers. Let's get started.
To get started with creating an Instagram ad for your book using Ingram ID, click on Create Campaign on the left. Next, name your campaign something unique and recognizable, such as the title of your book, so you can easily find it later. I want to promote a book named Calamity Club, so that's what I'm naming this campaign. After that, search our database for the book you want to promote. If your book is in our database, search results will appear and some of the book's information will automatically be added into your ad. If your book is not in our database, you can choose to add your book manually. You will need to enter your book's information later in the process instead. You can search by using the book's title, author name, or ISBN. When you find the book you want to promote, click on it to select it, then click on the Add Title button. After that, click on the Continue button. Next, choose if you want to create your campaign with our AI-powered ad generator or if you want to create the campaign yourself. In this example, we would choose to create a campaign with AI. You will then fill out a brief questionnaire about your campaign and provide the URL of where users will buy your book. Know that the URL must be a valid and approved URL directing to a product page or supported retail site. Examples of an approved website are shop.ingramspark.com, bookshop.org, indiepubs.com, barnesandnoble.com, target.com, thriftbooks.com, amazon.com, and walmart.com. Then, click on the Set Up My Campaign button at the bottom of the page to proceed. While waiting a few seconds for our system to create your AI-generated ad, you have the option to play a quick word game. Once your ads have been created, you will see a message that says your ads are ready with a Continue button. Click on the Continue button. You will then be presented with your AI-generated ads optimized for Facebook, Instagram, and Google Search. Since we will be setting up an Instagram ad, click on the box next to Instagram. Then click the Continue with Selected Ads button at the bottom. After that, click on the Set Up This Ad Platform button. Here, you will review and make any desired changes to the AI-generated ad. In Step 1, confirm that the audiences chosen for your ad align with your book. If they don't, select Click here to edit your audiences. In Step 2, if you made a copy change but would like to change it back to the AI-generated copy, you can do this by clicking the Restore button above each text field. In Step 3, set your ad schedule and budget. In Step 4, click on the box to confirm and approve your ad. Then click on the Save and Return to Cart button. Since Instagram and Facebook are both meta platforms, you can also choose to run your ad on Facebook by clicking this button here. Now you are ready to pay for your campaign. You would do this by clicking on the Proceed to Checkout button. Lastly, enter your payment information to complete the setup of your campaign.